Hey, let's talk about Mesa, Arizona. Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. We're talking about Mesa today, this awesome city full of innovation, a lot of startup world action, and some cool spaces for you if you're local to Mesa, the Mesa area, to go check out. So I'm going to give you my top 5 resources for inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners right here in Mesa. If you were just getting started on this journey and you're watching us, you've got to go book a free discovery call, or at very least download here below in the YouTube link our free inventor kit to get started. Patents, trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets. You can get your answers today by booking a free discovery call with us. So let's get started here in Mesa with my top 5. The first one is LaunchPoint. LaunchPoint. This is part of the Mesa Technology Accelerator, and they're city-backed, so funding from the local city. Downtown Mesa's higher education center. They've got workspace, mentorship, and training right there for Arizona's broader entrepreneurial system. They support startups. So if you haven't been there, check out the Mesa Tech Center, the Accelerator. They call it LaunchPoint. Okay, so a company just launched out of there. Now they're way out to doing multiple VC rounds, raising over almost $50 million. A company called Prenda. It's an edtech company. So they help K through 8 and micro schools. Okay, number 2, Chamber of Commerce. This is Mesa Chamber of Commerce, their business program. They offer mentorship, workshops, and advocacy across all sectors for any type of technology. They're even helpful for software. You bet. So Big Time Software, that's the name of the company. They're a SaaS provider for professional services firms. They're headquartered right here in Mesa. And they have over 170 employees, and they got their start at the Chamber of Commerce. So don't miss that if you're local to downtown. Number 3 is Maricopa SBDC. I love talking about SBDC. It's an SBA-backed, meaning the Small Business Administration. It's a federally backed fund, but it's local, meaning a local university sponsors it. And so what they do is they provide expert mentors, and it's free. Yes, I said free for you to go. Any startup, any individual planning on opening up a new business, you have a new technology, they will advise you on how to get started, how to get funding, and grow your company. So it's an incredible resource. Check it out. A company that just is now getting their launch is called Skybridge. Skybridge, Arizona. They create jobs in AI specifically for digital healthcare and sustainable tech. They got their start at the Maricopa SBDC. That's the Small Business Development Center. Number 4 is the Chef Shared Kitchen. It's a co-kitchen incubator. So cool. So any inventor with a gadget, a device related to culinary or kitchen-related products, this is your place to go get your start. Even if it's software related, in the notable startup here, example is Shift3. Shift3 Technologies, they grew in a food tech initiative world, but now they're expanding beyond that, of course. But they grew from the broader Bitwise and Cumberland ecosystem in Mesa, and they still collaborate with a lot of food tech initiatives locally. All right, last one, number 5 is the Green Flag Mesa Business Center. This is a program supporting student entrepreneurs with phased business development resources, office space, and mentorship. Able Aerospace got their launch through Green Flag Mesa Business Center. It's aerospace specific. They're doing a lot of maintenance for airplanes, and that company was student driven, and now they're helping other professionals in the aerospace community. So check out Able Aerospace Services. All right, everybody, that's my top 5 for Mesa. If you're new to the program and new to starting inventing, you're not sure if you want to reach out to these places yet, get a hold of us at Bold Patents. We're here to help you give legal advice on how much to share, when to file before you go public. Okay, before you launch and get started with some of these programs, you might want to protect what you've got with patent pending status. So I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you an awesome day, everybody. Go big, go bold.